How to get top fan badge on any Facebook page. So if you want to get a top fan badge on a Facebook page, then first of all open up your Facebook application and then choose a page in which you would like to have the top fan badge. So I'll be choosing this page, and after choosing the page, now what you have to do is you have to simply like the page post. So you have to like every single post, and after liking or after commenting constantly on that page, then within 2 or 3 days you will receive a notification to accept the badge. So you can go back, and here under the notifications you will get a notification to accept a badge from that page. So what you have to do is simply you have to like the post constantly, and then you have to comment on that, and you can also share that post, and having constant interaction with that page, and after having that you will get the badge. So that's it. That's how you get the top fan badge, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.